Hi everyone! We meet again. I hope everyone is fine. Today we are here to continue with our lesson. Let's watch the video.
Hello children, welcome to the mathematics class for 6 years old. Today we are going to learn about counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. Look at these fingers on the table. It's 2 sets of hands. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 fingers all together. Let's count in 2s. So let's just leave 2 fingers. 1, 2. Okay? 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 4. Add on another 2. 4, 5, 6. Add on another 2. 6, 7, 8. Add on another 2. 8, 9, 10. So for counting in 2s, you will see 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And the addition continues on and on. Now we will be counting in 5s. Remember, we have 5 fingers on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we do counting in 5s, we will keep adding on 5 to the last digit. Let's count. 5 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 plus 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 5. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. And you can keep adding on 5 to the last digit. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And the number goes on and on by adding 5. Now we are going to continue with counting in 10s. Remember, we have 5 fingers on one hand. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another 5 fingers on the other hand. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus another 10. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. We add on another 10 as we are doing counting in tens. 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Let's add on another 10 to the 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This is number 50. And we can keep adding on 10 fingers to the last number when we are doing counting in tens.
Please take out this book.
Hello children. Now you have watched the videos on counting in fives just now. So let's try and do some exercises to strengthen your understanding. Turn to page 16. Read the instruction with me. Count and fill in the empty boxes with the total number. Now, let's count how many beans are there in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One group of 5. One group of 5 beans in it. 5. Okay, let's try the first one. Count how many beans in the first group. This is the first group. This is the second group. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beans in the first group, and count how many beans in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beans as well in the second group. So there are 2 groups of 5 each. 2 groups, 2 groups of 5 beans each in each group. What is the total? So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total is 10 beans altogether from 2 groups of 5 each. Now, try this one. This is the first group. This is the second group. And this is the third group. Each group will have 5 beans. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beans in the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beans in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beans in the third group. Therefore, we have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 5 each. 5 beans in each group. What is the total? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the total is 15. Next. How many groups do we have here? First, second, third group, and the fourth group. There are 4 groups, and each group has 5 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for group 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for group number 4. Therefore, we have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 5 each. Each group will have 5 bins. So what is the total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's try the last one. This is the first group. This is the second group. This is the third group, fourth group, and the fifth group. There are 5 groups altogether, and in each group there are 5 bins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 each, and each group will have 5 bins in it. What is the total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So the total is 25. Now children, this is the basic understanding before you learn multiplication. You will learn this multiplication concept more when you go to standard 1. Hello children, turn to page 17. Read the instruction with me. Start counting from number 1. Color the number in 5s. So we are going to do counting in 5. Now we have to start counting from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to color number 5. Right, color this number 5 first. Then we will add on another 5 to this 5. 5 plus 5. Remember, one hand will have 5 fingers. So let's count. 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So where is number 10? Yay! This is number 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's color number 10. Right. So what do we do next? We add another
5.
5. Yes, because we are doing counting in 5s. So 10 plus 5. Count for me. After number 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yes, 15. Now look at this number sequencing. Where is number 15? Yes, this is number 15. So let's color number 15. Now, what do we do next? We add another 5 to 15. So 15, after 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. So let's look for number 20. There you are. So let's color number 20. We are doing counting in
5.
Yes, this is counting in 5s. So what do we do next? We add another 5 to number 20. So 20. After 20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25. Where is number 25? There you are. So let's color number 25. Remember, we are doing counting in 5s. Therefore, we'll keep adding on 5 to the last digit. Add on another 5 to number 25. Count for me. After 25,
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30. Good job. Where is number 30? Ta-da! Yes, found it over here. This is number 30. Color number 30. Since we are doing counting in 5, we'll keep on adding 5 to the last digit. So 30, count for me. After 30,
31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
yes, 35. Where is number 35? There. Right, color number 35. And keep adding another 5 to it. So 35 plus 5. After 35,
36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
good job. 40. Now let's look for number 40. Is this 40?
No,
What is this?
39,
After 39,
40.
yes, this is number 40. Which color? Number 40. Next. What do? We add on another 5 to the last digit, which is number 40. So add on another 5. 40.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Yes, good job. This is number 45. So color number 45. Do we stop here?
No,
No, we have to keep on adding because we still have numbers towards the end. So we are going to add another 5 to number 45. Count for me. 45.
46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Good job. 50. Last number here is number 50. Well done, students. I hope you understand the concept of counting in fives. Alright, children. Let's try another exercise in counting in fives. Turn to page 18. Circle the objects in groups of 5 and count the number of groups. Okay? First, we have to count 5 bees. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. This is one group. Circle 5 bees in one group. Then count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 5 bees in the second group. Alright, now try and do the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Circle the 5 bees and make them into one group. Start counting in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Circle 5 bees in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Circle 5 bees in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Circle 5 bees in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 5 bees only in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bees in one group. What do we do now? We have to count how many groups. So you have to count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many groups?
8.
Good job. Total number of group is 8. Group. dalam bahasa Malaysia, kumpulan. Kumpulan 1, kumpulan 2, kumpulan 3, kumpulan 4, kumpulan 5, kumpulan 6, kumpulan 7, kumpulan 8. I hope you understand. Okay, if you do not understand, don't worry. Let's try the second exercise. Now, let's count in 5. The butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we stop?
Yes.
Yes, stop. Make a circle. This is the first group. Then count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Make a circle for the second group. Start counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. This is the third group. Let's count in 5s again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we stop?
Yes.
Yes. Stop. This is another group. Next, let's count in 5s again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Make a circle and count in 5s again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. This is the last group. Now let's count how many groups do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many groups?
6.
Yes, total number of groups 6. Good job. Now let's look at these ladybugs and start counting in 5. Good job. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Circle. This is the first group. Count in 5s again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Make another circle. And start counting in 5s again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Make a circle. And count in 5s again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Make a circle. Now, let's count how many groups do we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many total number of groups?
5.
Good job. Right, number 5 here. Well done, children.
Hello children, today teacher will teach you about the ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are words representing the position in a sequential order. What do I mean by that? Now let's have a look at these toys, right? Examples of ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so on and so forth. It shows the positioning of rank in an order. An ordinal number can also be written as this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. If you notice, most of the ordinal number will end with th in the end. Fifth, fourth, except for third, rd, third, second, and d, second, and first is st, first. Now, let's test your understanding about the ordinal numbers. There are 3 baskets: first, second, third. We are going to put the ball according to the required basket. For example, purple balls into the second basket. This is the purple ball. Should I put it here?
No.
This is the first basket. Should I put it here?
No.
No, this is the third basket. Should I put it here?
Yes.
Yes, this is the second basket. So I'm gonna put the purple balls all inside the second basket. Okay? Now, let's test again. Put all the red balls into the first basket. Is this red ball?
No, it's yellow.
Yellow. Is this red ball?
Yes.
Yes. I'm gonna put it here into the second basket. Is it correct?
No.
I'm going to put it here, the first basket. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm going to look for all red balls and put it into the first basket. Red into the first basket. Red ball, first basket. Red ball, first basket. Okay. Last one. Take all the yellow balls and put it into the third basket. Is this yellow?
No, it's blue. No, it's green.
Green. I think it must be this one. No.
No.
This is orange. Then it must be this one.
Yes.
Okay. Yellow ball into the third basket. First, second, third. So I'm going to put it here. Correct?
Yes.
Yellow ball into the third basket. Yellow ball, third basket. The last yellow ball into the third basket. First, second, third. Well done, children.
Good morning, children. We are going to continue to learn mathematics, and today we are going to touch on a new topic, ordinal numbers. In Bahasa Malaysia, nombor ordinal. You have watched the video just now, and let's try and do some exercises. Please turn to page 19. Look at the picture on this page. There are 5 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, frog number 1 in ordinal number, it is the first frog. Frog number 2 in ordinal number, it is the second frog. Frog number 3 in ordinal number, it is the third frog. Frog number 4 in ordinal number, it is the fourth frog. Frog number 5 in ordinal number, it is the fifth frog. This is how you spell first. F-I-R-S-T, first. In Bahasa Malaysia, pertama. P-E-R-T-A-M-A, pertama. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. In Bahasa Malaysia, kedua. K-E-D-U-A, kedua. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. In bahasa Malaysia, ketiga. K-E-T-I-G-A, ketiga. Fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. In bahasa Malaysia, keempat. K-E-E-M-P-A-T, keempat. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. In bahasa Malaysia, kelima. K-E-L-I-M-A, kelima. Moving on, we are going to do some exercises related to ordinal number. Let's read the instruction first. Write the ordinal number indicated by the circled frog. Start counting from the left. Tuliskan nombor ordinal bagi kata yang telah dibulatkan. Kira dari sebelah kiri. First, you have to identify your left and your right. Now you have to start from the left. In bahasa Malaysia, kiri. So we will start counting from this side, left. Now count with me. First, second, this is the circled frog, kata yang telah dibulatkan. So what is the ordinal number for this frog? Again, count with me. First, second, third. Good job. Third. This circled frog is in the third place. In bahasa Malaysia, ketiga. So let's spell the word third. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Now, let's try number 2. First, second, third, fourth. What about this frog over here?
Fifth.
Yes, fifth. This is the fifth frog. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Now why don't you give it a try? This frog over here. What is the ordinal number?
First.
Yes, first. The frog that is circled in this picture is the first. F-I-R-S-T, first. The last one.
First. Second.
This circled frog here is in the second place. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Good job. Next, turn to page 20. Ordinal numbers. Color the third object from the left. This is left, and this over here is your right. Now, you have to color the third object from the left. So we start counting from this side. First, second, third. This object over here is the third object from the left. So let's color this object. Right. Let's try the second one. Color the fourth object from the right. Now, you have to start counting from the right. And we are looking for the fourth object. Count with me. First, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth object from the right. Let's color this object. let's try the third question. Color the first object from the right. This is the right, and you have to color the first object. First, this is the first object from the right. Color it. The last question, color the second object from the left. Now where do we start counting from? This side or this side?
Yes.
Yes, this is the left. So second object from the left. First, second. This is the second object from the left. Let's color it. Good job! We are still on the topic of ordinal number. Turn to page 21. Write the ordinal numbers in the blank. Tuliskan nombor ordinal di tempat kosong. Now, first of all, let's try to understand this picture. There are 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, they are standing on a few steps. The one standing on the first step, F-I-R-S-T, first, or in bahasa Malaysia, pertama, is Penny. This is Penny. She is standing on the first step. Moving on. This is Jordan. Jordan is standing on the second step. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. In bahasa Malaysia, kedua. This is Jordan. On the third step, we have Tessa. Tessa is standing on the third step. T-H-I-R-D. In bahasa Malaysia, ketiga. This is Tessa. On the fourth step is Sam. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. In bahasa Malaysia, keempat. And on the fifth step is Kimi. This is Kimi. She is standing on the fifth step. In bahasa Malaysia, kelima. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now, let's try and answer these questions. Number 1, Jordan, we're looking for Jordan, stands on the, now look up for Jordan. Where is Jordan? Is this Jordan?
No.
Is this Jordan?
No.
This is Jordan, J-O-R-D-A-N, Jordan, and Jordan is standing on the
Second.
good second step. So write down here second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second step. In bahasa Malaysia, Jordan berdiri di atas tangga kedua. Now, number 2, Kimi stands on the, now let's look up for Kimi. Is this Kimi?
No.
Look at this name here, Penny. This is Kimi, K-I-M-M-Y, Kimi. Kimi is standing on the
Fifth.
yes, fifth step. F-I-F-T-H, fifth step. Kimi berdiri di atas tangga kelima. Number 3, Tessa. We're looking for Tessa now. Stands on the, where is Tessa? Tessa, T. Her name starts with a
T.
T. Letter T. Tessa, T-E-S-S-A, Tessa. She is standing on the third step. T-H-I-R-D. Third step. In bahasa Malaysia, Tessa berdiri di atas tangga ketiga. Number 4. Sam stands on the where are you, Sam? Is this Sam?
No.
This is Jordan. This is Sam. S-A-M. Sam. And he is standing on the 4th step. F-O-U-R-T-H. 4th step. Sam berdiri di atas tangga keempat. Good. Moving on. Penny stands on the where is Penny? This is
No.
Kimmy. This one.
Sam.
This one.
Tessa.
This one.
Jordan.
This is Penny. And Penny is standing on the 1st step. So Penny stands on the 1st step. In bahasa Malaysia, Penny berdiri di atas tangga pertama.
Okay, children, that's all for today. Till we meet again, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.